Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have unboxing a video for you. I'm going to open one box. I'm waiting for another one to come, so it was going to be a separate video. So that's that. KnitCrate is a monthly subscription. They're sending boxing my way to open up and show it to you guys. So I'm putting this kind of information over here on the screen. That is a kind of paid promotion. You can definitely help me out in case you've never tried KnitCrate and you would want to try it. Definitely go to use the link, affiliate link down below, and you can use 20% off using KL20. So that's basically what it is. What they offer two boxes, actually now three, but it's two. One is KnitCrate membership, one is KnitCrate membership. I'm not sure which one this is, but you're going to know in a sec. However, before I open up, maybe I'm going to show you some sneak peek, because last month, KnitCrate, KnitCrate, we had this beautiful magazine and a yarn and a pattern, and I decided to make it. So I'm almost there. I got this color and I knitted Dancing Butterfly. I don't have on this channel a finished object video yet because I haven't weighed bin ends and anything like that, but I'm going to just show you a sneak peek. So here they are. So hopefully soon I'll get time to record and tell you all about it. I love it so much. It's going to be a gift knit, and that's that. The other work in progress with KnitCrate yarn, I haven't knitted on it for a while, I mean like a week I think, is this. So the KnitCrate yarn is this beautiful kind of minty color. As you can see, my pouch is green, so it's kind of bluish more, isn't it? And this is just leftovers from Tammy colors, and I just use it over here. We shall see how it goes. I can't wait to finish with it. And the yarn was, I think, 2 months before. So that was May, maybe April. If you're interested to check it out. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more on this channel. You can find loads of finished objects videos. So if you fancy to knit something and you're wondering what I finished, you can definitely browse it through. It's all in playlists too, so check it out. Okay, probably you're here to see what I have in my box, not what I have on my needles. Am I right? Let me know down below. Okay, so let's start. It's a KnitCrate membership. So what do we have over here? Oh, so cute. So the yarn I got is these two beauties. KnitCrate most of the time comes over with two skeins. The price for the KnitCrate membership is approximately $25, slightly less I think, kind of 25. The shipping is for free, so international, it's included in the price. So like I said, if you split that thing, it's like 12.5 for one skein. Pretty awesome, and that's not only the thing you're getting. Anyway, so what did I get? Vidalana ILove. It's Tiger Lily. It's 20% it's 48% merino wool, 20% baby alpaca, and 32 organic cotton. DK weight, we have 250 meters, which is 274 yards, and I have in this kind of lovely moral. Is that the word in English? Moral. But the interesting thing over here is the ply. We have it chain plied. Now, hopefully you can see it. It's quite a squishy beauty. And if I can show you what I've knitted with something similar, but it was more fluff than this, on the screen now, I definitely have a photo. It's this sweater. It's a paid for pattern. I got it because I fell in love with that kitten, and it was Love from Drops Air, I think. So this is quite similar construction of the yarn, but let's see what else we have. And guys, this is the cutest thing ever. It's a measuring tape. Oh my, so cute. Check it out. This is lovely. Oh, two skeins, measuring tape, and a magazine. So what do we have this month? June 2019. By the patterns, I can tell you that there are 2 colors. That's a surprise. So basically you don't know which color you're going to get. I got this one. And the patterns inside, we have 3 patterns over here. 2 are related to the box and 1 is to a sock box. So if you have any spare yarn, it's fingering weight, you can definitely knit socks. So we have 3 patterns, 2 skeins, measuring tape, and 3 patterns. So the first one is for crochetters. Rose of Lavender. I'm looking at it and I was like, no, not a chance. That's knitting. No, that's knitting. I'm right. But I think the second one is Golden Afternoon Scarf. So up here, this is crochet, and we can have a peek what box is for. Sock box. Sock box? KnitCrate box. And it's whimsical socks. Oh, they're really nice, and the pattern kind of reminds me my Near the Sea hat. Oh, check it out. Beautiful pattern. It has some cables going on over here, but the yarn reminds me so much of my on the screen Near the Sea hat. Oh, all the links down below, guys, if you're interested. This is what I got. I'm so happy with it. I'm not sure what I'm going to make. So far, as you could see, I have some bits on my needles. So if you're interested what's going to happen over here, follow my channel and see what I'm up to. This is kind of my channel about my knitting journey, but also you can have a peeks of vlogs, some unboxings, and a bit of here and there. So again, thank you so much KnitCrate for sending the box my way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you have on your needles. What did you get in regards to this month or previous months? What have you knitted with your yarn? Did you follow the pattern or did you find something else? Like for instance, I found over here. You know what that is. I don't want to go, but I need to go. So I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye.